This is the very first video of Art with Decoupage on my channel. I hope you all will like this video. So for this, all you need is Mod Podge, that is the glue, Fevicryl white color, a sponge, an empty bottle on which you will be doing art, the decoupage tissue and some brushes. So let's get started for the video. You just have to take a little amount of white paint, that is Fevicryl, on the sponge and tap it on the bottle to cover it completely. You have to make sure that the bottle is completely covered with the white Fevicryl. The tissue contains 2 extra layers. Make sure you remove both of them. Once you are done with the Fevicryl, you have to keep the bottle away for it to dry. Now, you just need some water, and with the help of a brush, you have to draw an asymmetrical line on the tissue paper. I need this flower on the lower part of the bottle. I'm just moving my hand freely around that flower. Now I'll take the tissue and just stir it carefully on the waterline. The reason I use water for tearing up the tissue is that it gives a real natural look. If you're not comfortable using water and brush, you can just use a scissor. Here comes the part. You need to take the brush, dip it in the glue and just swipe it on the bottle. Make sure you don't completely put all the glue at once on the bottle. Now you need to take the tissue paper and slowly put it on the marked position, that is, where you have put the glue. You have to do it very slowly so that there is no air bubble on the tissue paper. Also make sure that you don't rub the tissue paper. You just have to tap it very slowly with your fingers or with the help of the sponge. Repeat this step till you get what you need. Just put some glue and then tap on the tissue paper.
Writings on the wall inside my head, inside of me. Holding all these thoughts beneath my skin, can you believe it all?
Now I'll be cutting the extra part which is left on the lower side of the bottle. This is the front side of the bottle where the tissue paper is, and this is the back side which is left. I'll be completing the bottle and will show you how it looks. Here's the final bottle. Now before moving to the last and final step, what we have to do is we have to take the white paint and cover all the spots on the bottle. Now it's the time for the last and the final step. We have to take the glue and put it generously all over on the bottle. This will give the product a finishing touch and also will make the tissue paper and acrylic paint to stay intact. Here is the final product. Some other stuffs I have made from Decoupages. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.